Today we're testing Remaker AI, a platform that was recommended to me and that I'm just starting to explore. We'll use it to generate images and videos, do face swaps, make quick edits, and try some of the quirky experimental tools they've added to the app. The image section uses Flux. You can generate images from text or transform an uploaded picture. Results are fast and let you try lots of different styles. You can also use a new Nano Banana model. For quick productions, it works really well. For rapid prototypes, memes, or social content, it can be useful. There are several quick editing tools: removing backgrounds, enhancing quality, retouching faces, creating cartoon or age versions. It's very handy when you need something done fast. There are also lighter tools designed specifically for creating memes or fun little clips. They're quick to use, and some of the results are genuinely hilarious. Here are a few examples where I made dancers, did some swapping, created some silly memes, and a few edits that are a bit more serious. Face swapping and scene modification, using your own content, are the core features of the app. It offers several pre-configured setups that work really well for swapping faces and characters. It's very easy to use. Just pick the effect or tool you want, upload an image or write a prompt, and you get the result in a few seconds. All the generations I tested were very fast, and the overall quality was solid. If you want to try it out, you'll find the link below. I'll keep experimenting with it and see what else we can build. But before we wrap up, here's a quick overview of the different tools, along with a few of the creations I made. See you in the next video.